Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to download GTA San Andreas on Android for free. If you want to download GTA San Andreas on Android for free, here is how you can do it step by step. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. If you are on an iPhone, open the App Store instead. Now, go to the search tab shown at the bottom right corner. In the search bar, type GTA San Andreas and wait for the results to load. You will see multiple apps in the search results. Make sure to select the official GTA San Andreas app by Rockstar Games, as third-party apps may not be safe or could include malware. Once you open the app page, you will notice that the game is a paid app, usually priced around 700 Pakistani rupees. Tap on the Buy for 700 PKR button to proceed. You may need to enter your Google account password or verify your payment method to complete the purchase. You can use a MasterCard or any credit or debit card for the payment. After confirming the payment, tap on One Tap Buy or the equivalent option to finalize your purchase. The game will start downloading automatically. Once the download is complete, open the game and follow any on-screen instructions to finish the installation. Remember, while the game is not officially free on mobile, you can sometimes find official promotions or discounts that temporarily reduce the price. Always avoid third-party, free download links. They are unsafe and can harm your device. Once installed, you will have the full version of GTA San Andreas on your Android device, ready to play anytime. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.